Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click on the search up the below right corner and then type Instagram. And what you're going to do, you're going to just double check if your Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to my browser. Okay. Now if you wanted to know how to unfollow people on Instagram, click your followers and see the list of all the users that don't follow you back, and then click select all and then push unfollow the users button to mass unfollow all Instagram account that don't follow you. So basically I'm gonna just go back to my screen and go ahead to my Instagram app. And basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click on my profile icon at the below right corner. And I'm going to just go ahead to my followers list. And I'm going to just go by one to see the people that they didn't follow me back on Instagram. Not followers list, sorry. You're going to be able to see it in the following list, right? You're going to see the people that you follow on Instagram. Let's say for example right here. And as you can see, you'll be able to see that they don't follow you back, basically. And you're gonna find, if you want to find them, if they follow you back or something, you're gonna just go ahead to the followers list or type their username if you have many followers, right, by adding their username. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.